Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing 3D animated cube in PowerPoint. So let's begin. First of all, you have to go to format background and change its color to a dark shade. I'm going to use dark blue shade and insert this shape and change its height and width to about 12%. So we're just going to decrease this radius and we're going to rotate it like this that the tip comes onto the top corner. So press Ctrl plus drag and you have to duplicate it by doing that, and next you're going to decrease its size to about 10. Yeah, 10 would be all right. So the next thing we're going to do is put it into the center, and then what we have to do is press control plus drag, and then we have to move it downwards and place it right that the corners are intersecting, and then we have to go to merge and then click on fragment. The next thing we're going to do is insert our rectangle and select both the shapes and press fragment. Remove the rectangle and press Ctrl plus drag and move the shape onto the first shape, and you have to press fragment again. You have to remove the unwanted part, and then you have to change the color of each of the part into colors that you like. So I'm gonna use pink for now, and let's just darken the color of the floor cube shape, and for the top shape we're just going to use a white color, and for the bottom shape we're going to increase the darker color. And the next thing we're gonna do is select all of this and move it into the left corner and then duplicate it. And I'll show you how to use some other color. So for now, as you can see, I'm gonna use this green color right now, and you can see that I'm just going to darken the base color. So this is the final result, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can also download this template for free from the link in the description below.